So, hello everyone. Today you will learn all about SolidWorks Fillet Tool. You will explore how many types or options are present in a fillet feature of SolidWorks of 223. So let's start our lecture now. So first of all, you have a simple bar and another part here. There are two bodies present in this model. So you will learn all about constant size fillet, variable size fillet, asymmetric fillet, partial edge fillet, face fillet, full round fillet, as well as you will also learn how we can use fillet expert tool separately. So just go to the fillet features and load it. You can see here are options in the tab of fillet type. That is, the first option is constant size fillet, then variable size fillet, and the face fillet as well as full round fillet. If we click on the constant size fillet, then click the edge you want to make a fillet. So select this edge. Here in the fillet parameters, you can see the symmetric is selected. If we and the radius is 10 millimeter. That means this will add 10 millimeter on this side and 10 millimeter on this side. If we go to OK, you can see the simple results of applying this fillet. But you can change the symmetric option to asymmetric options. Now go to the fillet parameters and select the asymmetric fillet. Here you can see the radius 1, set it to 20 millimeter. So on this side the fillet will be 20 millimeter and this edge will be the 10 millimeter. Okay. So in this way we applied a variable size fillet. And other options that is present in the fillet is a fillet with the multiple radius options. Again go to the fillet tools and select the constant size fillet, then select this edge, and from here you will select the symmetric options. And when you select the symmetric, you can see the multi-radius fillet option is highlighted or active. And we select the asymmetric options, you can see that this multi-radius fillet option has been disappeared. So in order to define the multi-radius fillet, check the symmetric options, then click on the multi-radius fillet. And here you can select the profiles. There are two types of profile, that is curvature as well as curvature continuous. So now click on the point here. Sorry, I think this is not working. Again, just delete that. First of all, we will apply a fillet with partial. Here is the variable size fillet. You can see this is the variable size fillet, and the option is selected asymmetric, and select the edge to add a variable size fillet. So you can see now here that here is the V1, that is the radius, For this side, that is 20, and here is the V2, that is the radius of fillet for this edge or this point, that is you can set at the 10 millimeter, and for this you can set at the 20 millimeter. You can also define the radius at this point, and as well as this point. So click here. You can see the P1, the radius is 20. Or 75%. Click here. The radius is 50%. And click here. Again, radius is 75%. Okay. So you can see we have applied a variable size fillet at this edge. Beside this, we also add a partial edge fillet. Just select the constant size fillet and select this radius. So we don't want to add fillet to whole edge. We want that the fillet should start from this point and should end here at somewhere. So in order to add a partial edge, check the partial edge parameters. Here is the purple one. You have to define the offset distance from this edge, from where the fillet should start. Define the distance. For example, that is 100, and that is 20. So this is offset from here, this edge, that fillet will be end at here on this edge. If we change it to 50 millimeter, you can see that that point has been moved away from this edge. And if we define the start conditions of the fillet, that is the purple one, you can also define the 60, that the fillet will start on this edge from this purple point to this green point. Okay. So you can see now we have defined a partial edge fillet on our part. Similarly, you can define a full round fillet or face fillet on a face. Again, go to the face fillet tools and select the face fillet options. From here, select this face and then this one, and define the radius, that is 20. So face fillet has been applied here. Now another option is to define or assign the